Hi everyone and welcome back. Today the brand is the Belmint pillow massager with switchable heat, and this is only good for the neck and the lower back. You can look at the box, et voila, in the back. So let's open it to see what exactly we have inside. So we have a user manual, the AC adapter, the 12-volt adapter for the car, plus, et voila, plus the pillow. The size of the pillow is going to be 12-inch by 7-inch by 4-inch thick. The length of the cord for the AC is 4.5 feet, so you have enough when it's time to put it on the seat. You have enough to plug it in, and don't worry, it's going to be okay. And this guy is for the car, so you're going to be okay too. You can see the quality of the pillow. Here you have your on and off, plus the switches for the heat. In the back you have the strap, and it's made with faux leather, and here is material. Okay, let's plug it in and let's try it. So what I did, I plug it in, and here we're going to use the AC for demonstration. So let's look the way I push the button. Now you can see it's red because now the heat is coming on, plus he's doing a massage. And let's do the other side. Just press another time. Now I'm going to go on the other side. If you don't want the heat, you just press another time, and voila, the heat is closed, and this is off. And the weight of the pillow, it's 7 pounds. Now we're going to try it for sure. So I'm going to put the heat at the same time, and let's look for the neck. Let's see if it's going to be okay. Yeah, probably a little bit taller. And that's going to be like what, like a week we have it now, and me and my wife, we really love it. Don't put excess weight like sitting or directly laying on it. This unit is more for sitting position, to put your head against, or putting your unit lower to your back. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to share it, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one.